So we have arrived in Homs. This is one of the cities in Syria that got hit the hardest during the war in the last couple of years. And this is a city with some real war wounds. And I mean, you don't really have to tell anyone or show anyone or explain it to anyone. You can just watch this and see that this city has been through some stuff. God. And it's everywhere. I haven't seen a single house without bullet holes since I've arrived to Homs, which is awful. I mean, people just live like it's a normal thing. It's crazy. And what is good though is that you see people are trying to rebuild their homes and rebuild houses, but there's so much to do here, and I don't think this city is prioritized as much as Aleppo. So it's gonna be interesting to walk around and see the Citadel, which they have. They do have a pretty important mosque. They do, I don't know if they have any parks. I will see if I find a park. Need to find some good food as well. I've heard the food here is good. So for now, there's just destruction basically, and some people that try to actually rebuild again. And from what I've heard, Homs was kind of a normal Syrian city. It was not built for tourism. It was not built to be a capital or anything. It was just a normal Syrian kind of busy town. But then the war came and the war stayed. So we're not here to tick off landmarks today. We are here to understand a little bit what's left of Homs, and from my eyes it doesn't look like there's much. And before the war, Homs was known as like the industrial heart of Syria. There were factories, there were trade, there were families, there were routines. And it was also a city where like different religions were living side by side. You had Muslims, you had Christians. You kind of had like generations of people living together on the same street. And now everything is getting divided, everything is getting very different because of the wars happening here, and all just due to all these bullet holes and things. What are you guys baking here? Wow, that's cool. Can I buy one?
Hello.
Hello, can I buy one?
No.
One?
Yeah, 1 name.
How much?
1.
Look at this though, fucking hell. Cool. How much?
2,000.
2,000. 2,000 for you. Thank you. I don't know what the fuck this is though, but
Yeah, hello.
yep. I take one? Nice. Just bread, I guess. Should probably have something on it, but there we go. I just thought it was cool. Look at this covered market that I found here. It's like a big thing. It's just covered with glass. I don't know why though, but it's cool. They have everything here. You can buy gold, you can buy socks, you can buy perfume, of course. Everyone's selling perfume. Probably need to buy one though. It's the same colors as my football team in Sweden. Eve Göteborg. Beautiful, beautiful. But yeah, this is called the covered market. Sounds this time for prayer as well. But hey, and here they're rebuilding. Beautiful. That's good. That's good. Love that. More rebuilding, people. More rebuilding. Oh, this is big. This is fucking large. Nice. Wow, someone just bought this big suitcases here. It looks like someone's fucking ready to leave this country. And I can understand it. It's uncertain times for the Syrian people. Even though they have a new interim government sitting and they look like they're doing something good, it's not necessarily like that, because the guy that's on the top now, he's an ex-ISIS leader, and people think that he's just nice now for the time being, before he's gonna be like everyone else have been, fucking over the people and being extremist and whatever. But hey, no one knows. Maybe he's changed. It was 15 years ago. Let's hope he's changed a lot, but because these people deserve it. They really deserve it. Oh, I want a juice. I want a pomegranate juice now. Let's find it somewhere. We found a food market. Looks good when we are hungry as we are. What do we want though? Ooh. Ooh, look at this. What is this? Chicken? Chicken. How much for one?
Chicken, man.
Yeah, how much for one? One. How much?
3.
Yeah.
One.
One, yeah. Yeah, how much?
Yeah,
Let's communicate here. Good guys. Yeah, you take money, I don't understand. Probably like 4. Then, but I only need 1.
Yeah, 1.
You said 3.
It's okay. 3.
Ah, okay, fuck it.
3.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. Whatever I need.
واحد تاني. So
Yeah, good.
3.
Okay. 3. I'll get 3. I just want 1. But okay. Fine. Now he's prepping mine. Look at kebab. Nice. Yeah. Whatever you have. I don't know. It's only 2. I buy 3. But what is it? Yeah, fuck it. I'm not gonna argue. Shukran. Not what I thought it was, but hey, here we go. We got a chicken skewer thing on the street here for. I wanted 1, paid for 3, got 2. But hey, what the fuck? I don't care. It's probably good as fuck. Yeah, it is. It's juicy. Real juicy chicken. Wow. Busy here. Oh, do you want fucking parsley? And just like Aleppo, Homs does have a citadel actually. But it's, I mean, you can see they're prioritizing the radio and TV tower instead. And I mean, it's not as famous as the Aleppo one. It's not as restored. But I mean, in a way, it kind of makes it a bit more honest because it's just in the middle of these buildings that have bullet holes inside of it. And I mean, in Aleppo, the citadel stands tall, proud, and pretty dominant in the city. But here, I mean, the citadel feels more wounded than anything else. You can see it's basically nothing left. It kind of does just blend in instead of being dominant like the Aleppo one. But as well, this one have seen empires fall, they have seen empires getting built, they have seen wars and centuries of history. And I mean, like Homs itself, it has survived somehow and it's still there, but I could not enter it, you know? I was trying to enter it and the guard said like, no, there's guards up there and they will shoot you if you go up there, because that's like a stronghold, so they shoot down if anyone comes around and want to mess up in the city. They have a pretty good stand up there to just shoot people down. So yeah, we cannot visit this one, which is okay. I've seen enough of citadels, but as you see, there is destruction just next to it, which kind of makes this blend in a bit. Behind me here we have a Khalid ibn al-Walid mosque. This is one of the most important landmarks in Homs for people, and this was heavily damaged during the war. And I mean, at one point this one was literally in the center of the war, and you can really see it looking around all these buildings here. There's not a single building that is not completely destroyed by the fighting. And one of the beautiful things about this mosque though is that for many people this mosque it's not just a building, it's not just a mosque, you know. It's identity, it's faith, it's a proof of continuity, whatever that name is, word is. Continuity, yeah. Why do you make a word so hard? Continue, life continues, okay? That's what we have. So they rebuilt this pretty quick, and here we go. So this one, very important and very beautiful actually. But the surroundings, oh my god. And now you might wonder, why the hell did Aleppo and Homs get bombed as much as they did? It's basically because of its location. It's a very strategic location that goes centuries behind in time. It's the Silk Road. It's a very fruitful way of and placement in Syria, and I mean that's why it became a target, you know. So the city and both cities basically went through long periods of fighting, shelling, sieges, and as you can see, entire neighborhoods were completely destroyed here. And I mean, many people left. Some have come back actually, and unfortunately some never will. But what is striking about Homs is its silence, you know. I mean, you have neighborhoods like this, and in some areas it feels like, I don't know, time just stopped. Buildings are frozen from like the moment they were hit by the bombs. And I mean, this used to be someone's home. This one, this one, this one, and this one here. This used to be like an entrance to someone's house. Now, it's just a shell of nothing left. That's awful. And yet, people here, they're living next to this, you know. They're resilient. They are not giving up this. This is their country. They're gonna get through this. And it's like, life didn't disappear, Homs didn't disappear, it just adapts, I guess. Walking around here is kind of weird, you know, because you obviously have all these buildings where you've seen they've been shooting through here. It looks like they've been shooting through everything, like, fuck, we're gonna check it all. Obviously you have the end of it here, they go through here, bomb, 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 over here. This, I don't know, this is probably a store, I don't know, maybe not even not an apartment, but maybe a barber shop, or there's a sink over there, I don't know, maybe a restaurant. God. Oh, we have kids playing anyway. I really hope this is a school or something, because this is pretty nice. It's cute. Finally actually see a facade that is not completely destroyed, and it's actually painted with something. Let's see what this is. I hear kids laughing. I don't think it's a school. I think it's just someone painting on it. Still nice to see, and this instead of just see bullet holes like you see over here. Homs also had a big Christian community, and I mean still does. And in terms of the war, it did not choose religion. Here you have a church, here you have some bullet holes as well. I mean, these neighborhoods was also hit. Churches damaged, families displaced and whatever. And then, as I said, the war here didn't choose religion by any means. It didn't choose sides on the daily life. It's hit everyone who lived in this city. But one thing you can notice when you're here, and you are now in the Christian area, it's a bit quieter. It is. And also, to be fair, and I've said this before, and there's nothing against other communities, but it's much cleaner on the streets. There's not as much that people just throw things on the ground. If that's a Christian thing, I do not know. You can tell me in the comments if you know what the difference, but there is a difference, and you can really see it when you're walking through different. Hello, how are you doing? Through different areas, and as you can see, even the Christian area got hit. People lived here as well, and obviously don't anymore. Hey, how are you?
Would you like take some videos at the picture? We have a mosque. Is the name Khalid ibn al-Walid.
Which one? I taken about the Walid one.
No, this one.
No, okay.
I tell you about mosque. It's the name Khalid ibn al-Walid.
Okay, what's about that one?
It's a history one.
Okay.
Yeah, and older.
Older, okay. Yeah, maybe. But did you live here during the war?
Yeah, I live in another state.
Yeah.
In here, yeah.
But is this the Christian area?
Yes,
Yeah.
a Christian.
Yeah. But you lived here during the war.
Yeah. The Christian and the Muslim,
Yeah.
the same.
Yeah. But you lived here.
Yeah, I live
When
here.
how was it living here when everything was?
When the war,
Yeah. Like
I
waking
live-
up every morning knowing that.
I
shit.
live about 20 years.
Yeah.
Then I go to Egypt.
Egypt. Okay.
Yeah, I live in Egypt about 3 years. Then I come back to it.
Oh, okay. Yeah. But how was it waking up every morning and knowing that one day it might fall a bombs
bombs
yeah.
and destroyed everything.
I've seen. It's
You
crazy
see.
walking around, just like. Yeah,
It's very,
I
very
couldn't
hard,
understand.
yeah.
Like,
But I hope the Syrian came back.
Yeah.
And life, happiness.
yeah, I hope so too, because I think you're on a good path now.
Where did you live?
I'm from Sweden.
Sweden.
Yeah.
Welcome.
So I'm very privileged, very safe. Like,
When you need something,
yeah.
and when you need go to somewhere, when you need help,
Okay.
something.
Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Samir.
Samir. Robert. What's your
Welcome,
name?
Robert.
Amar. Okay, nice to meet you guys. Yeah, take care now.
Take care.
Thank you. Ciao. I'm getting my eyes getting all teared up because it's living here knowing, as you said, like waking up every day. There's bombs, there's shootings, there's shellings, there's. Imagine how you take that with you through your whole life. That's gonna stick forever. That's gonna stick forever. God. Yeah. Here you have Apollo. Can't be more European than that, I guess. Greece. Fuck. Now I need something to cheer me up. Christian area. Do we have a beer here? Maybe we do actually. That would be nice to have a beer now. Sound like an alcoholic having a beer to cheer up, but fuck, that's, oh god, I'm actually still tearing up. It's crazy to hear these stories. Here you have Santa Claus as well. We had to see one landmark, didn't we? Here we got the Clock of Homs. I mean, it's not much, but it's a landmark. Funny enough though, I need to report this or tell you about this. My friend in Latakia, where I was a couple of days ago, sent me information about things is happening in Latakia. There's like, you can hear it, there's bombs, and there's obviously riots coming because of the new government. So he told me like, don't go to Latakia, where I've been. Don't go to Tartus, where I've also been. Don't go to Homs, where I'm now. Whoops. And don't go to Palmyra. Leave the fucking area, because tomorrow it's gonna be even worse. So I have to go back to my hotel now, I think, and find a way to go to Damascus, because I think this might be unstable to be a part of. And I'm not here for the war. I'm here for see what's happening after the war. So let's see and hope there's nothing happening tomorrow, because my bus is tomorrow for Damascus. But yeah, I think we closed the video here actually, and hopefully we get one made in Damascus. I think the capital is gonna be safer and quieter than this. So stay tuned, follow, like, share, subscribe, whatever it's called. I'm still safe, and when you see this, I hopefully have left Syria and are in one piece. Ciao, see you on the next one.